Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. We are going to be doing this 2017 Nissan Altima. Every speaker in this vehicle seems to be blown. I'm not sure if somebody just abused it really bad or what happened, but it sounds really, really bad. We're gonna go ahead and replace all those today. All right, so we're gonna remove these rear speakers, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start removing all these push pins that are back here on this plastic piece. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5 on that side. So we're gonna remove all these push pins right here. And there's those for you.
How you remove them? I'll show you over here. There's a little bitty like indentations right here.
Pop that right out.
Pop it up. And we'll pull it out. I can't reach it.
There you go. That's what that looks like right there. All right, so we got all the pop pieces out. So now we're gonna try to remove this piece, which I'm guessing
has to go down, come out.
It's gonna have to go down.
Let's see, it's curled around
on this ledge on the behind it.
Mm-hmm. It's right now it's behind the seat.
Back there.
Mm-hmm.
Is it something we're gonna have to remove that back seat panel? All right, so Beavis has figured out a way to finagle his ass out of this situation. See if he can follow all the way across this seat. Get the other side out. We're back here. He seems to figure out ways to get these back seats out faster than anybody. Must be that Anderson mentality.
Yeah. Although get it into.
Yeah, I'll figure out a way to get this out. All right, and then that's how it comes out. And this is the back side of it right here. And there's a big ledge right here if you see. So and this pinch weld all the way around here. So it's kind of a pain in the butt to get out of there because that thing sticks up so far right there. Go ahead and take out the C-pillars just to make some room and see what all it is. They're just popping off with the snap clips, which is nice. Just be real careful. That part's getting caught on the headliner. Lovely. And then that should just pull right out. So, boy, they make these terrible to get these back seats out. They don't think about ever having to get these back seats out, I'm telling you.
On this side, and imagine on the other side. Over here, too far right. Keep going over.
Okay, I can feel it. It's right here.
Pull
it out. It's a little lever. Just pull that out right like that. It's on both sides, on his side as well. And then this piece will basically just come out. So boom, this back seat will come right out. Without the seat belts being caught. Okay, so basically there is a hook right here that is connected down underneath this black piece right here. So you gotta get it, you gotta push this part down to get it up underneath there, but
push it in
and then push it down.
It pops out.
Yep.
Like that.
And then if you want some extra food later, we got some dog food. How hungry are you, Beavis? Are you hungry enough to eat that fucking dog food? A peanut butter crunch. We got, it looks like a candy bracelet that's deteriorated. Look at that thing. It looks like skeleton bones.
Got some French fries.
Got some French fries. Got some pencils. Started a little art club back here. Probably a 12mm. So underneath this cushion right here, if you go underneath, right about there. It's hard to see because this thing is not focusing. Right there is, so basically right here is your bolt. It's hard to see, I'm sorry. It's super dark in here. So that bolt that we were talking about that is down here is a 13 to take off this cushion. Right up underneath it, right down here, it's black. So it's a 13mm. So he's gonna take off that 13mm off this whole piece right here. That way we can get the C-pillar off back there, and then we can get the whole rear deck out. A lot of work just to change out the rear speakers in these cars. These newer cars, they just do not give a shit about taking the speakers out easily. It'd be nice if they just put a grill over it so you could remove the speaker or mount it from the underneath side, but that would be nice to us. The back side, so when you want to get them out, they just slide. So you just basically just push up and it will come out. And that's how this bad boy comes out. The reason why we couldn't get this C-pillar out is because it has a push tab right here. So just realize that's all behind there. We took that piece off, gonna put that down there, and then here's the back side of the C-pillar. You got push pins, all different types of things that you got back here. Kind of weird the way they're set up. We're gonna repeat the same process on the passenger side. We're gonna move the bolt at the bottom down here. We're gonna push up, pull that out, take out that push pin on that side, and then remove that C-pillar. We've got access to this whole rear deck. I'm guessing that there's probably more stuff back there that we're gonna have to take out, because it's not being nice to us to come out. Ow. Oh my God, Becky, we got it out. Jesus, look at that thing. All that just to get to these stinking 6x9s that sound like rattled asshole. So I would advise using the 10mm because they torque them in so tight. When you try to use the screwdriver, it will strip and it will tear them up. Nissan's notorious for this, so I would definitely go with the 10mm. It'll get them right out, no issues. These are the stock lovely speakers that they put in here. Look like some Phase Linear, Jensen, Road Gear, dual $2 dual cone speakers from AutoZone or Walmart. These speakers.
They're made in Mexico. Mexico!
You guys like Mexico? Well, unfortunately, these weird Stranger Things shaped tulip 6x9 bolt holes are totally different than standard 6x9s here. So we did have to self-tap these, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing and self-tap them. So the 6x9 hole itself on the back side is the same as factory, but they're not the same tulip style bolt holes here. So you will have to make your own holes to make these actually fit.